चंबल के लोगों को बाला का कैरेक्टर बहुत प्यारा लगा। वो अपने आप को देख रहे थे उसके अंदर, क्योंकि बाला शैतान है कैरेक्टर। तो कहानी ये है कि ये बनाने क्या कर रहे थे ट्रेन में, बहुत साल पहले की ट्रेन की जर्नी इनकी जा रहे थे, चंबल की तरफ से निकल रहे थे, रात को सो रहे थे 12 बजे एकदम से उनकी आँख खुली तो उन्होंने देखा डाकू लोग घुसे हुए हैं। पर इनके दिमाग ने इनको बताया कि नहीं उठना नहीं, कुछ भी करना है तो उनको करने दो। तो डाकुओं ने इसका बैग उठाया और बाहर फेंक दिया।
350 रुपए की
मेरा बैग नहीं उठा, सबका बैग
सबका
उठा,
बैग
मेरा भी बैग
उसका भी तेरे
तो
था।
ये नहीं, अरे उसका बैग कहाँ है?
Not bad, Bob. Well done, Bob. Well done. Well done.
Short and sweet.
No, it is not trying to ape anybody, but it is just ये लोग सोचा था कि हमने कि मैं बाला जो है बेसिकली उसका कैरेक्टर ये है कि उसके पिता जब पैदा हुआ था तो उसके बड़े बाल थे, बहुत बाल। तो जब उसके तभी उसके पिताजी ने उसका नाम राजकुमार बाला रख दिया था। फिर 2 साल बाद उसका शाही मुंडन हुआ था। जब मुंडन हुआ उसके बाद, जब मुंडन के बाद एक भी बाल नहीं है, तो गंजा ही रह गया। तो उसके गंजा रह गया तो बहुत नफरत करता है लोगों से जिनके बाल हैं। तो कई लोगों को उसने मार भी दिया है और या तो उनको उनके बाल मतलब निकाल दिए। तो ये कैरेक्टर था। तो क्योंकि I had to play a bald guy, so that's
Also,
but
you don't have the chain.
no, उसमें शेंडी थी।
He doesn't have the
Yeah,
chain.
yeah,
पर शुरू में हुआ था, एक्चुअली अभी भी होता है, कई बार होता है कि लोग कृति बोलते हैं, वी बोथ टर्न। बट
आज इसने रेट्स बोला था
हाँ।
तो भी आई टर्न दैट
क्योंकि
हैपेंस,
Chris
बट
बोलते हैं।
इवेंचुअली खरबंदा और सैनन बन गया था।
Yeah.
फिर खरबंदा का केके भी बन गया था। आई डोंट थिंक वो सैनन का और छोटा कर पाए।
I mean, that's the pattern of Houseful. It's always these 3 characters, and then you have new characters which become a part of this. And so that's how it is, and I'm really lucky that I got to be a part of Houseful.
Houseful, I think Houseful for me means getting back with close friends, working together, having a great time, having fun, working with paid holiday, of course, and working with people that you've never worked before. So that's another. Like I got to work with all these lovely co-stars, and that was great for me.
But I actually believe that sometimes when you meet some people, you feel like you
You've known
connect
them.
really well so soon, and it's not normal. It's
And you
not-
can't explain it.
and you feel like you know them very well, maybe from another time. I think it's a beautiful thought.
entertainment. I think it's going to be a very, very entertaining film because reincarnation is supposed to be a serious subject, but we've decided to show people the funny side of it, and I think it's going to be very enjoyable. It's never been done before, so we're looking forward to how the audience responds to it.
I'm just excited that I'm part of Houseful 4. It's a crazy film and it's got great humor, and as you've seen the promos, I mean, it's one of the most funniest promos. So imagine how funny the film is going to be. So I'm really excited.
This is going to make you happy and laugh this Diwali. It's the best Houseful so far, so you're really going to enjoy it.
I just feel that when like Bobby was also saying that when you're talking about reincarnation, it's a space that gives you enough scale, and when it comes to comedy, you feel that it's not well spent. But this film is actually well spent. The kind of scale, the kind of it's well produced, and there are war sequences, and there are palaces, and there's portions in London, Rajasthan, and so it's something that but in a feel of comedy. So that's something new.
It's a fun film, guys. Just go out there, watch it. It's Diwali. You want to spend time with your family and you just want to laugh. Like, I think my dad is one of the biggest reasons for me doing the film, because he just loves to watch films which, make him leave all his stresses behind and worries and just have fun. And this is exactly what we've made, a fun film for you all to enjoy and watch.